Hey, hello everyone, this is Mamta Mond and today we will learn and solve chapter 10 exercise 10D questions 1 to 8 of chapter 10. Chapter name is Basic Geometrical Ideas of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve chapter 10 exercise 10D questions 1 to 8 of chapter 10. Chapter name is Basic Geometrical Ideas and topic is quadrilateral. Let's solve some questions. Now we will solve question number 4. Answer true or false. First bit is no two vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the same line. This is false. No two vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the same line. This is quadrilateral. These are the two vertices A, B, C and D. Two vertices A, B and C, D. These are the two vertices lie on the same line. This is the same. So this is false. These are not on the same line. These are opposite adjacent side. So this will be false. Second bit, no three vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the same straight line. No three vertices. Yes, only two vertices of a quadrilateral. Two. So no three vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the same straight line. This is true. Now question number third bit. All points on a quadrilateral belong to its interior. All points on a quadrilateral belong to its interior. False, because they lie on the line, not in the interior. This is the boundary A, B, C, D. This is lying on the line. This flat. No, these are the interior. If the points are here, then these are interior points in this quadrilateral. But all points on a quadrilateral belong to its interior. This is false. Now fourth bit. The line joining any two points in a concave quadrilateral always lie inside the quadrilateral. Inside, not it will be outside. So it will be false. So the line joining any two points in a concave quadrilateral always lies inside the quadrilateral is false. Now fifth bit. A quadrilateral has only two pairs of adjacent sides. Quadrilateral has two pairs. This is quadrilateral has only two pairs of adjacent sides. Two pairs. No, there are four pairs. One, two. This is two, three, four. One, two. One, two, three, four. Four pairs. It will be four pairs. So it will be false. A quadrilateral has only two pairs of adjacent sides. This is false. If it is four pairs, then it will be true. Now question number 5, multiple choice questions. Which of the following is not a pair of adjacent angles of the quadrilateral ABCD? This is quadrilateral ABCD. Which of the following is not a pair of adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are A, D, D and C, C and B, B and D. These are AB, A, B. This is the adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. C and D, C and D. This is also adjacent angles. B and D, B and D. This is opposite angles. This is opposite angles. So it will be false. D and A, D and A. Adjacent angles. Opposite angles. Angles B and D. All are adjacent All are adjacent angle, but only B and D are opposite angles. So option C is correct. This is correct. Option C is correct. So option C is the answer. Now question number 6. In a quadrilateral PQRS, the part PR is known as PQRS, the part PR. This part is diagonal. This is diagonal. QS also diagonal. So answer is diagonal. Option C is the correct answer. So option C is the answer. Diagonal. PR is a diagonal. Now question number 7. A quadrilateral has options are 2 diagonals 3 angles, 2 diagonals 4 angles, 4 diagonals 4 angles, 4 diagonals 4 sides. This is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. Sides are AB, CD, BC and AD. 4 sides. Angles are A, B, C and D. 4 angles and diagonals is AC and BD. 2 diagonals. So here 2 diagonals, 3 angles not correct. 4 diagonals, 4 angles, 4 diagonals not correct. 2 diagonals, 4 angles, 2 diagonals, 4 angles. This is correct. 4 diagonals, 4 sides. 4 diagonals not correct. So option C is the correct option. Option C. So option C is the answer. A quadrilateral has 2 diagonals, 4 angles. Now question number 8. Multiple choice questions. A cricket ground is in the shape of a quadrilateral. If a batsman hits a 4, then the ball has to toss the point. Options are in the exterior of the quadrilateral, on the quadrilateral, in the interior of the quadrilateral, none of these. This is a cricket ground having the shape of a quadrilateral. Cricket ground is in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. If a batsman hits the 4, then it will be on the line, not outside the line. If ABCD is a cricket ground, when the batsman hits the 4, then it will be touches the line, not outside the line, and not in interior of the quadrilateral, not interior of this ground. So it will be on the quadrilateral. Option B. If he hits the 6, then it will be exterior of the quadrilateral. If he if the batsman score 1, 2 by running, then it will be the interior of the quadrilateral. If he hits 6, then it will be exterior of the quadrilateral, and if he scores 1, 2 runs by running, then it will be in the interior of the quadrilateral. If he hits the 4, then it will be on the quadrilateral. That is, it touches the line of the quadrilateral. So it will be on the quadrilateral. Option B, on the quadrilateral, is the correct option. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this with your friends. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this with your friends. If you have not
subscribe my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.